Wake up, look around. The world is changing fast. And most men are getting weaker by the day. Not because they're incapable, not because they lack potential, but because the modern world is designed to drain them. Low confidence, low energy, low standards. And then they wonder why they feel small. But there are men who don't bend. Men who enjoy pressure. Men who walk into chaos and stay calm. Confidence isn't luck, it's built. In this video, I'll show you 10 things that quietly destroy a man's confidence and how to stop letting them. Number 1, mental programming. Most men were conditioned for mediocrity before they even knew what was happening. Think about this. When elephants are young, they're tied with a small rope. They try to escape, fail, and eventually stop trying. Years later, when they're strong enough to snap that rope instantly, they don't even attempt it. They've been trained to believe they can't. You are no different. Teachers, news, friends, even family. Be realistic. Don't aim too high. Play it safe. You accepted limits without questioning them. If you want confidence, you must audit your beliefs. Which thoughts are yours and which were installed into you? Break the rope. Number 2, social media. You scroll and see men traveling, winning, making money, attracting women. It looks like everyone is ahead of you. Here's the truth. No one posts their failures. No one shows rejection. No one shows insecurity. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Use it for inspiration if you must, but never measure your worth against a filtered illusion. Number 3, cheap pleasure. When a man spends hours watching explicit content, he is training his brain to sit back and consume instead of act. It's passive weakness. You wouldn't brag about it. You wouldn't want someone walking in while you're doing it. That alone tells you what it is. Confidence comes from participation in life, not observation. Number 4, cultural pressure. We live in a time where masculine traits are often criticized. Ambition is called toxic. Competitiveness is labeled dangerous. Strength is misunderstood. So men shrink. They apologize for wanting more. They soften their voice. They second-guess themselves. Don't. You can be disciplined, driven, and controlled without being reckless. But never apologize for being a man. Number 5, neglecting your appearance. You don't need designer clothes, but you do need standards. If your hair is a mess, your clothes don't fit, and your hygiene is lazy, that signals something. You are telling yourself you're not worth the effort. Stand tall, dress sharp, stay groomed. It's not vanity, it's self-respect. Number 6, weak posture. Body language speaks before you do. Slumped shoulders, eyes down, slow walk. Your brain reads that as weakness. Stand straight, chest open, move with intention. Confidence isn't just felt, it's practiced physically. Number 7, losing without adjusting. You cannot build confidence if you only experience defeat and never correct course. Losses are part of life, but constant losing without effort to improve destroys self-belief. Stack small wins. Finish the workout. Complete the task. Every win earns internal respect. Number 8, making excuses. Weak men explain, strong men adapt. Blaming your past, your parents, your boss, none of it builds confidence. Responsibility does. When you take ownership, you take control, and control builds strength. Number 9, living for instant gratification. Pleasure without effort always comes with a bill. Binge watching, endless scrolling, constant snacking, always choosing comfort. It feels good in the moment. It feels empty afterward. Now compare that to a brutal workout, a cold run, a difficult conversation handled well, uncomfortable first, powerful later. Delayed gratification builds confidence because it proves you can override impulse. Number 10, breaking promises to yourself. Every time you say you'll do something and don't, you chip away at self-trust. Confidence is built on self-trust. If you don't believe your own word, why would anyone else? Start small if you must, but when you say you'll do it, do it. And finally, learn this. Not everything is about you. When someone insults you, criticizes you, or projects negativity, don't absorb it. The stronger you become, the more resistance you'll face. Expect it. Confidence is not loud. It's stable. It's earned. Audit your mind. Cut the distractions. Strengthen your body. Keep your word. Choose effort over comfort. Do this consistently, and confidence won't be something you chase. It will be something you carry. If you're serious about becoming stronger, subscribe and build it the right way.